Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a Bmw E46 and you're trying to find the relay for the fog lights, guys, stay with us, we'll show you where it's located. Now, we'll guys be having more than 200 videos on a Bmw E46. This is the year from 1998 to 2006. And our mission, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we're making all these videos, guys. All we need in return, please hit the subscribe button, like the video and leave a comment below, guys. Let us know if you have any specific problems or if you like the video. That way we know we can make better videos for you. So let us show you guys where the relay is located for the fog lights. You have a fuse as well. We have the video on the channel. If you need help with that, check it out. So let's go ahead and show you how to find it now. So this is, guys, a 2005 BMW. It doesn't matter if you have a 2000 or 2005, and if the fog lights even look different, it's fine. Okay, it's the same relay, guys. So we need to go, guys, inside the vehicle. Okay, inside, and we will need to remove our glove box. Okay, in order to reach the relays. It's hidden. We have the video on the channel, guys, that explains how to remove the whole glove box assembly and all that, so you know how to do it. Practically you have to remove 6 screws, you have to remove 2 clips, okay, I don't know where, okay, right there, the 2 clips went, and you pull it down. We have all that on the channel, so please check it out if you need help with that. Usually, you know, you can reach your fuses, okay, just by opening the glove box, turning those things, and your fuse box will drop down and you can reach them. But the relays, guys, they're hidden, and you cannot reach them unless you remove the glove box. Now, the relay that we're looking for, guys, is an orange relay, and it's the one for the fog lights. If you come this way, you start relay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's the third relay on top from left to right. This is your fog light relay, guys, right there. Now, how you remove it? Usually, in order to pull the glove box down, okay, right here you have one nut with a 10mm socket. Okay, this is the nut that you need to remove, and you can pull that thing down a little bit. And once you guys remove it, okay, you can go ahead and remove the relay. Usually you can access it with the camera. It's hard to show you, okay, exactly where things are located a little bit, but I'll be able to pull that relay like that. Don't use a screwdriver, you can reach it with your fingers, but I'm doing it here with one hand, that's why it's a little bit hard for me to show you, but that's your relay, guys, right there. So you can find it, guys, the replacement one and where we buy them from in the description of the video below, so please check it out. Also, we have the part numbers listed. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel and see you guys next time.